and welcome to your Tibialis Anterior Fascial Freedom tutorial. What we're going to be doing with this one is sitting in a nice comfortable position. You may not get to 90 degrees, that's fine, as long as the front leg has a 90-degree bend in it and you are comfortable, very important. We're going to be using our fascial freedom ball, something nice and hard, and we're going to be placing it in right in the belly of the shin area there. Now, as always, self-discovery, just have a bit of a play first of all. See if you can just move around or put the ball in a different position and try and find that really tender spot, and that's where we're going to begin. As always, sit on it first of all, find the spot, relax, and allow the body to calm itself before we go into it. Once you've done that, then what we're going to do is just gently move, precise little movements. We can go directly up and down a little bit, and then a little bit of forwards and backwards as well. So set a timer, 3 to 5 minutes, and make sure you're really focusing on those tender spots. You might find the closer you get down towards the ankle there, it's a little bit more dehydrated down there. You might need a little bit more work. Could be a little bit more tender. Now, another option we can do with that one, if it's a bit hard to get into this position, is we can jump on all fours. And what we're going to do is going to find that exact same spot with the ball. And what you can do with this one is you can lift the knee off the ground and you can actually roll the ball all the way up and down that shin. And this could be that first point of finding that tender spot first of all. So that little bit of self-discovery. Once you find a spot, what you can do then is just drop the knee back to the floor. And then you can internally and externally rotate the leg so the ball moves across the fibers that way. And you'll know when you get it, it's pretty tender. So have a bit of a play with that one, set the timers, take your time with it, and really see if you can get some hydration into those tissues. Looking forward to seeing you on the next video tutorial.